obwo bari mu rukiko rw'okutongoza ebyo ebirabe omukoro gubesire Toto Festival aho mu district yambarara aha kitebe kya Vision Group omurembo Kampala. Fiona Tamare orukurra narukwebembere eby'emikoro omu kampuni ya Vision Group yashabazire okuleta abana babo ombwingi omukyekacheka abukuba amurundi ogo ebyokuzanisa nibingi munonga.
So much demand. The swimming pool, we've added so many play items, so there's no child who will go away unsatisfied.
Grace Nampima, Toto editor, obinchi mwakweta Anti Toto nagirango Toto Festival ya murundogo neyo mutano abukuba ari abo abayoche entarant oktana abatayi babo nabo kwehangora school fees.
Olwo lwennyini agenda kwewangulira school fees.
Dickens akampumuza orukwebembere emikoro erikukorwa kampuni ya soda Peps yahiga abazire okuleta abana babo bashemererwe n'abatahi babo.
Ninkunga abantu bene abazira bumbarra Isinjiro Ibanda Bushenyi Ntungamureta abana bije bazane n'unaku rwabo sagwa twine ibintu bingi twaba twine ibitabo twine soda zo gabera abana bine swimming pool bine kuvuga endogoya aroni kibagamo mu military research abantu baza ko bahangura biro bingi.
Omukoro gw'abana ogubesire Toto Festival amurundogo gahagirwe kampuni erikora soda ya Pepsi Vision Group kana amurundogo nabo kubaretera beshongozi omulmunji n'abandi bingi kurwo mu cyanga cya Burengerizoba omuri Reiji Sister Charity Kachina n'abandi bingi.
We are going to be there, please parents muletabana. It's going to be a fun-filled event. Plus, I'm also going to be one of the judges on the 31st. So we're going to have a talent show, talent search on the 31st. Then on the 1st, we're going to have a performance. Please, muje.
Teacher Barbara Kaburijo no kwija kongera kushemeza abana bato barukubegise ibintu bitaramu na bimwe kandi omukorogo no gukubaho kibanza byokwezi kwa mwenda omwaka 2019 omwana naza kushashura omutwaro iwo muzire noza kutahira mbusha. Amakoraga gasha kwa Patricia turiyahebwa ahabwa TV West.